Hello everyone. Have you go to a railway station? Yes? Or not yet? Okay. So my name is Eka Preissinta Putri from B class 2017 Universitas PGRI Adibuana Surabaya would like to explain to you 10 vocabulary in railway station. So let's start. For the first vocabulary is luggage. Luggage. Luggage consists of bags, cases, and containers which hold a traveler's personal articles while the traveler is in transit. The sentence is, don't forget to check your luggage first. Next, we have luggage locker. Luggage locker. So a luggage locker, sometimes called a luggage storage, is a lockable closet or compartment typically placed in a public area for general use. The sentence example, there are no left luggage locker at the railway. Next, we have passenger. Passenger. So passenger is a person traveling in a car, train, boat, and etc., but not driven by him or her. The sentence is, there is no airbag on the passenger side. Okay, let me continue. The next vocabulary is screen. Screen. So screen is a platform display, destination display, or train describer in supplementing the destination sign on arriving trains, giving passenger and advance information. The sentence is, you can see the railway screen to get information. Do you get it? Okay, next we have ticket machine. Ticket machine. So a ticket machine, also known as a ticket vending machine, is a vending machine that produces paper or electronic tickets or recharges a store value card, or smart card. The sentence is, there is a ticket machine for purchase of ticket at all the times. Okay, there is a ticket machine for purchase of tickets at other times. Okay, do you get it? Next is stamp. Stamp. Stamp is a small piece of paper with a design and a face value, used to prepare postage or other costs such as tax or license fees. The sentence is, do I need to stamp for my ticket? Do I need to stamp my ticket? Okay, next is timetable. Timetable. So timetable is a chart showing the departure and arrival times of trains, bus or planes. The sentence is, according to the timetable, the train should have come in 9 o'clock. The next vocabulary is first class. First class. So first class is a travel class, and some passenger airlines intend to be a more luxurious than business class, premium economy, and economy class. The sentence is, I bought a first class ticket for London. Okay, do you get it? And we go on to the last vocabulary. It's second class. Second class. So second class seats are narrower than first class and may even be pants like sitting on other or shower trains. Sometimes second class seat is reclined, more often on newer, high-speed trains, but not always. The sentence example is, maybe I use second class for Berlin. Maybe I use second class for Berlin. So that's 10 vocabulary that you can find on the railway station. It's luggage, luggage locker, ticket machine, timetable, second class, first class, stamp, and another. So thank you for watching my videos and see you on the next video. Have a good day.